Hello everybody, and today I want to be talking with you about Tari. Tari is a new mineable token, and as you can see, I'm right now mining it on my PC. I'm just now mining it for 3 hours, and I'm just trying to know how much I'm gonna get on my PC or how is it going to be. The Tari was launched I think a week or 2 weeks ago, and the best part of it is that the rewards are kinda huge. Even me, when I'm mining on my RX 6650 XT, I'm getting around 0.02 or 3 per block when I'm getting a lot of shares. So that's great. And what is even great is that when you are going to join through our link in descriptions, you will be getting gems, and the gems you get is going to be yours, and you are going to anticipate in the airdrop for the Tari token, and as you can see, now I have 0.3595 XTM or Tari. The Tari is now sitting around 1 cent. As you can now see, the Tari is about $0.01493, and it's going down from the initial pump to 7 or 8 cents, and it's all because of that supply, because that supply is such huge, and the Tari is not getting that demand. The supply is there, but there is no demand, and we are just now trading on CoinEx, SafeTrade, Trade.org, or XT.com, which are not that huge. They are just small exchanges where it's not so many people. It's not some kind of Binance, OKX, Coinbase and stuff like that. So the token for now is looking so bad, but for me, I'm hoping that it's going to be better, because the token is now cutting by 0.01 in the reward by every block, which is mined. So it's pretty good. The supply is gonna get low, and the tokens are gonna be mined not that high. What is your opinion on the token? Let us down in the comments down below. You can just anticipate in the airdrop, you can mine it, and we will see what is going to happen with this token. We will just going to be informing you in the next video about Tari, because we are gonna be doing every single update, and we are gonna be talking what is happening with the coin, what is happening with the price of the coin, and we will be sharing with you every update that Tari is gonna bring to us, because we in the crypto weekly dive, we think that this token is going to be a massive. I don't say it's going to be massive like $10 or $20 per coin, but I think it can be steady around 10 or 15 cents per coin in the near future, if the thing in the world and in the USA are going to be better, because for now it's bad. The economical situation in US is bad, the wars are bad, and that everything is affecting crypto, as well the Tari, as well the Bitcoin, as well the Solana, and every other cryptocurrency, because when we are gonna look at the market is down. Bitcoin is down 1.31% in 7 days. Ethereum is down 3.83. The XRP is also 1% down. BNB 2. Solana is now sitting under the 140 mark, so that's kind of bad, and everything is not going that up. Only I can say that the SEI is going up, and the Aptos was going up a little bit today, but it's not huge. It's pretty down bad, and we are not seeing so many tokens popping up. Only the SEI is going up, because I think the SEI is future of the layer 1 tokens. It's gonna be far better than Aptos, Sui, and the Solana, but that's only my guess. I'm just talking about that when we are gonna get into the bull market, and we are gonna be in the alt season. The SEI is going to hit the $1 mark again, but that's not why we are here. We are here because of the Tari. I think the Tari will be a good project. I hope you will enjoy mining the token, and you are gonna be getting the profit from it. I've seen a lot of people mining it with some kind of new technology which is launched on Linux. You need to have some kind of things, and I don't know how it works, but if you are gonna manage to somehow run it in that, it's gonna be huge, because you are gonna get plus 30 or 40, maybe even 50% in mining speed boost, which is going to be really huge, and I think it will be very good. So don't forget to smash like, subscribe, mind the Tari, and in the next video, bye bye.